Understanding the idiom, out in the cold. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, out in the cold. This idiom might sound straightforward, but it has a deeper meaning in the English language. We'll break it down, look at its origins, and see how you can use it in your everyday conversations. So, let's dive in. Out in the cold is an idiom that means being excluded, neglected, or ignored. It's often used to describe a situation where someone is not included in a group or activity. Imagine being left out of a warm, cozy house and having to stand in the cold. That's the visual this idiom paints. The phrase, out in the cold, is believed to have originated in the 19th century. It draws on the imagery of someone being left outside in the cold weather, which is uncomfortable and unwelcoming. This metaphor was then applied to social situations, where being excluded can feel just as unpleasant. To understand this idiom better, let's see some examples. 1. After the new CEO took over, many old employees felt left out in the cold with the new changes. 2. She felt out in the cold when her friends didn't invite her to the party. 3. The merger between the companies left several departments out in the cold regarding decision-making. This idiom can also be used in different forms, like left out in the cold, or kept out in the cold. The meaning remains the same, focusing on exclusion or neglect. And that's a wrap on out in the cold. Now you know what this idiom means, its origins, and how to use it in different contexts. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and emotions behind them. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't let yourself be left out in the cold in your language adventures.